Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do a very famous South Indian drink, Pazharasam. This will be absolutely delicious and do try this at home. For this we will take around 15 jackfruit pods. To this add a quarter cup of sugar. You can always adjust the sugar according to your taste. Now blend this properly. You can use either a hand blender or a mixie jar to blend this. Next we are going to add 2 mangoes into this. Peel the skin and add into this. And now it's time to blend it again. If you are using a mixie jar, you can very well grind it separately and mix them together. Now add 1 banana to this. Again blend everything well. So everything is mixed well here. Next we are going to add 2 cups of coconut milk into this. Mix this properly. Your Pazharasam is almost ready. Before serving, place this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This will taste so good when it is served chill. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.